Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Steam account name and password. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. This method will only work if you previously saved your Steam login credentials in Google Chrome or Google Password Manager. If you haven't saved them before, you won't be able to retrieve them this way. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dotted lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage all your browser preferences and saved information. After the settings page loads, look at the left sidebar of your screen. You'll notice several categories listed there for different types of settings. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved login credentials, payment methods, and addresses, making it easier to fill out forms and log into websites quickly. Next, click on Google Password Manager. This powerful feature stores all your saved passwords in one secure location, allowing you to access them whenever you need to check or update your login information. It's particularly useful when you've forgotten credentials or need to log in on a different device. Once the Password Manager opens, you'll see a list of all the websites and services for which you've saved login information. Look through this list and find Steam. When you locate it, click on the Steam entry to open its details. This will bring up all the saved information associated with your Steam account. On this page, you'll immediately see your Steam username displayed. This is the account name you use to log into Steam. Now, if you also want to view your password, simply click the eye icon that appears beside the password field. This icon is designed to toggle the visibility of your password, revealing it in plain text so you can see exactly what it is. This is helpful if you need to write it down or use it on another device. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Steam account name and password using Google Password Manager. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.